Hello everyone, today I am going to present a topic called microbial fuel cell. This presentation explains how microorganisms can be used to generate electricity while treating waste. A microbial fuel cell is a electrochemical system that converts chemical energy into electrical energy using microorganisms. Here bacteria break down organic matter and release electrons and protons, which ultimately produce electricity. Microbial fuel cell is a device that uses microorganisms to produce electricity from organic matter. In an MFC, bacteria break down substances like waste or organic compounds and release electrons during this process. These electrons are captured through electrodes and flow through a circuit, creating electrical current. So, microbial fuel cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy using the natural activity of microbes and is useful for wastewater treatment and clean energy production. In a microbial fuel cell, bacteria are placed in the anode chamber with organic waste. The bacteria break down this waste and release electrons and protons. The electrons flow from the anode to the cathode through an external circuit producing electricity. At the same time, protons move through a membrane to the cathode where they combine with oxygen and electrons to form water. This process generates continuous electric power using microbial activity. Single chamber MFC has only one chamber. Bacteria and cathode are in the same compartment. It is simple and low cost. Second, double chamber MFC has separate anode and cathode chamber connected by a membrane, more efficient and commonly used in studies. Mediator-based MFCs uses chemical mediators to transfer electrons from bacteria to the electrode. Mediator-free MFCs use electroactivity bacteria that directly transfer electrons eco-friendly and widely preferred. Microbial fuel cells use organic matter as fuel. Common fuels include glucose, acetate, wastewater, sewage, food waste, and agricultural waste. Bacteria feed on these organic substances and break them down during metabolism. While digesting the fuel, microbes release electrons which are captured to produce electricity. So, MFCs convert waste materials into electrical energy, making them eco-friendly and useful for waste treatment. Microbial fuel cells are used to generate electricity from wastewater and organic waste. They help in wastewater treatment while producing clean energy. MFCs are used in biosensors to detect pollution and water quality. They can power small electronic devices in remote areas. MFCs are also help in reducing environmental pollution and promoting sustainable energy solutions. Microbial fuel cells produce renewable and clean energy. They use waste materials as fuel, helping in wastewater treatment. MFCs reduce environmental pollution and greenhouse gases. They operate at low cost and mild conditions like room temperature. They are eco-friendly and support sustainable energy production. Microbial fuel cells produce low power output, so they cannot generate large amount of electricity. They have high initial setup cost due to special electrodes and membranes. The process is slow, but it depends on microbial activity. MFCs require careful maintenance of bacteria and condition. They are not yet suitable for large-scale power generation. Microbial fuel cells are a promising technology that convert organic waste into electricity using bacteria. They provide clean and renewable energy while helping in wastewater treatment. Although the power output is currently low, ongoing research is improving efficiency. In future, microbial fuel cells can play an important role in suitable energy and environmental protection. Thank you for listening my presentation very carefully. It might help you.